Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the yellow flashing light on your PlayStation 4 controller and fix any kind of connecting issues. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So sometimes I'll have my controller plugged in and it will be flashing yellow and I can't connect to my PlayStation. How would I go ahead and fix this? Well, the easiest thing to do is completely turn off your controller and then your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and take our PlayStation 4 and just hold down the power button just like this and hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will hear one beep initially, then you'll hear a second beep and your PlayStation will go ahead and begin to power down. Now the controller should go ahead and turn off. If it's not, go ahead and hold down the PlayStation button here for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll notice the light bar will turn off after about that duration. Now that our PlayStation is turned off, what we want to do is turn it around and take the power cord and unplug it from the wall outlet and leave this unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes, and this will power cycle your PlayStation. Once that's been power cycled, let's turn it around now and flip over our controller, and there will be a small pinhole on the back of the controller right here where we can take like a pin or a toothpick and just press the button in, and this will reset the controller. And once we have the controller reset, what we want to do is take a USB cable just like this and plug it into the front USB slot, and then the other end into the controller itself. Now go ahead and try to press the PlayStation button and see if this will connect the controller to the PlayStation. So let's go ahead and turn it on and just do that. Now, if you do have that yellow flashing light still and you have the USB cable connected, try continually pressing the PlayStation button. In the past, that has worked for me, where the controller is connected to the PlayStation, but it's simply just charging. It's not actually connected to a user profile. So continue to press that if it's plugged in. Otherwise, what you could do is put your controller into the sync mode. And to do that, you can press the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And just hold this down, and it'll put the controller into the sync mode. Now, since I'm already connected, it's not going to put it into the pairing mode or the sync mode. Also, if you are having this issue, you can use a second controller and connect it to your PlayStation and then forget a controller or a Bluetooth device and then reconnect it. Now, you can use the PlayStation remote app on your phone if your controller is lost or you don't have a second controller. So let's go over to my PlayStation now and I'll show you how to forget a Bluetooth device. Okay, so what we want to do is go over to settings by going up under here and selecting this. Then go on down to devices, go to Bluetooth devices, and then locate your controller. It should say DualShock 4, and then go to it and select it, and you can press an X on it, and then you can disconnect the controller. So instead of saying disconnect now, it should give you an option to press the options button right here, and you should be able to forget the device. And it will turn off the controller, and you'll have to reconnect it. You'll have to put it back in the pairing mode by pressing the PlayStation button and the sharing button at the same time to sync it up to the console. And then it should show up under this list. Take your working controller and just go to it and press X on it. And the DualShock 4 controller without the green button right up here, the circle by it, will be the one that's not currently connected. So you'll know which DualShock 4 option to press it on. Or go ahead and just use that USB cable to quickly reconnect it back to your PlayStation. So hopefully that does fix any kind of yellow flashing lights that you have that's indicating your controller's charging or something like that. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.